In this video, I'm going to break down the exact process of how to close $3,000 per month clients within 30 days or less using Claude AI. The best part is that instead of me just yapping about it, I'm actually going to show you and walk through the steps so that you can actually look over my shoulder, look at my screen, and see exactly how I do it so you can do it too. I'll be going over everything from how I build irresistible offers with Claude, the outreach strategies that I'm going to use in order to get clients, and also where I'm even going to find the clients in the first place. I'm going to show you the exact deals I've been closing and the screenshots that actually led me to getting those deals as well. You're going to be getting every template, every script, and every prompt that I use within this video. So to start building the foundation, let's start off with a good offer. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how good your outreach is. If your offer isn't very good, nobody is going to want to work with you. I'll give you an example. Having an accountability partner is a pretty good thing to do. But would you spend $50,000 on an accountability partner, some dude that's going to text you every morning? Probably not. It simply doesn't matter how good your outreach is. It doesn't matter if you say the right words, if you tell people that the ROI is going to be there. If it's just not a good offer that people want, then they're not going to want to work with you, no matter how good your outreach is. So that is the very first step. And we're going to be using Claude to come up with our own offer. All right, so now you can see we are here inside of Claude. Now I have this Claude offer finder skill. A skill is essentially just what it sounds like. You are giving Claude a skill. You are giving Claude a way in order to do something. And this skill is going to ask us a series of questions that will lead us to our best offer, meaning something that is converting and working right now, something that is based off of our experience and our interests as well. So we're going to do that just by downloading this Claude offer skill. This is free. The link to this is down below in the description. You just literally take it and you drop it into Claude. Now I've already done it, and how you activate it is just go into here and do /offer, and /offer finder will come up. You hit enter, and now it will ask us some questions. And okay, so here we have the offer finder skill. It asked me a couple of questions. I gave some very, very quick answers to all of these, like one-word answers, but the more information you give it, the better it's going to be able to tailor it to you. So don't give it one-word answers. For the sake of this video, I just want to go through it quickly. It took a minute to do some market research. So that's one really good part about it. And then it came up with our skill right here. So the top skill based on the answers that I gave is creative strategy for e-commerce brands. So you want to be in the strategy seat and not executing someone else's brief. That's the exact profile of a creative strategist, the person who decides what the ad says and why before a single frame gets filmed or designed. Okay, great. Now I have lots of videos on this very channel about the different types of offers that you can use, but we're just going to take this one and go with it. As you can see, it walks us through absolutely everything. So the money reality and the math behind what this actually looks like, what we can get paid for this, and then also the timeline and what to expect. So the ambitious timeline of like 20 hours per week, or the conservative timeline, which is more like 10 hours per week. Okay, so how do we actually go about getting any of these creative strategy gigs? Well, if you read through the actual Claude skill and the answer that it gave us, one of the best ways to do this is to find agencies that work with e-commerce brands, because they are going to offer these e-commerce brands a ton of creative. This means you're going to be writing 30 to 60 ads per month for them. Now, the agency doesn't write these themselves. They need copywriters or service providers like you and me to do it. And we can use AI like Claude in order to do all the heavy lifting. If we have to make 30 ads in a month, we can come up with the idea, but we can actually just use AI to create the entire ad for us in the script. Now, let's talk about the outreach stack, how we're actually going to get these clients. Because the biggest problem that people have is they either stick to one platform too tightly, or they try to put everything together at once. Because the thing with getting clients is that multiple things work. And you do want to use these multiple different avenues and routes, because one of them might be performing better than a different one for you. But the problem is when people try to do them all at once, that's overwhelming, and you're going to be trying to basically chase your tail. So instead, what we want to do is set up each platform one at a time until it is running smoothly, efficiently, and optimized. Now, another thing that I want to bring up is when people ask me about these two main things, right? One of them is, should I build a website? And the second one is, should I build a portfolio? And the answer is yes, kind of, for both of them. So as for the website thing, nobody really wants to go to your website to check you out. And the reason why is because you building a website from scratch, first of all, is going to take you forever. It's probably going to cost some money, and people just don't want to do it. They want to click on some link with a domain. They've never seen it before. They're very skeptical about that. So instead, you want to have what I call a business card, a digital business card. This can be on something like Instagram or even something like LinkedIn. Setting up one of these business cards is honestly extremely simple and straightforward. You make a few posts about marketing, copywriting, creative strategy, and business in general. To give you a little bit more of an idea of an example of what I'm talking about, I created this page a long time ago. and it's just called Tyson.superscaler. And as you can see on there, there's a bunch of posts. There's posts of me traveling some places. There's posts of me getting a new laptop, me reading books, me going over some of the testimonials that I've gotten before in the past. And you can do the exact same thing. There's just a few posts here. Right? Realize that this is not something where we're trying to build followers or build an audience. It's literally just something that if we DM somebody, they're going to instinctively want to come to our profile. Whereas if we're just sending people outreaches, then we have to send them a link to a website that they're not going to want to go to, okay? So this is a much better alternative to a website. Next is the portfolio. The portfolio is honestly extremely easy as well. All you would really need to do is go on Facebook Ads Library. So as you guys just heard, I just went to Facebook Ads Library and I searched in the word supplements. Now I'm going to be going through here and looking for some ads that are a little bit older, ideally ones from early 2026 or late 2025. So that's like 3 to 6 months old. The reason why I'm looking for ads like that, even older as well, is because if they've been running those ads for months, that tells me that those ads are winners. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna study all of these ads. Sometimes people ask, yo, Tyson, how do I find really good, high performing ads right now or ad copy that I can look at so that I can make my own creative strategy ad copy as well to put into my portfolio? Well, it is actually very simple. You just go here and do the exact thing that I just showed you. You look for people, or you look for outliers. So this one, for example, has been running since December 2025. So there's something about these ads that are working because they've been running them for the past 6 months or so. So the strategy is this. You take some of these ads, you understand how they work, you write some ads yourself, you put them into a document. You might have a Loom video in that document linked. That's just you introducing yourself and why you'd be a good fit to work with most creative strategy brands. And that is it. That would literally take you a couple of days at most. Like I'm talking 2 days maximum, no more. Realistically, I could get it done in 2 hours. Okay, so now you have your offer. You have your business card / website. And you also have your portfolio. You've written down a couple of ads already. Now it's time for you to actually start messaging people. And this, again, can start within 2 to 3 days. And if you're watching this right now, understand it takes you 2 to 3 days to start getting the opportunity in order to get clients. They're going to pay you $2,000, $3,000 and more every single month. So remember, in order to outreach to clients, you want to incorporate different sorts of platforms. So the first 2 platforms I would honestly recommend, one is going on LinkedIn and just looking for applications, and 2 is creating an Upwork profile. Now I have other videos on this very channel on how to get clients with Upwork. So I recommend going and watching those because this video would be way too long if I gave you a complete Upwork tutorial right here. But just know people are closing deals on Upwork that are $7,000. That's right. People are not only just getting like $2,000 per month and $3,000 per month deals, but they're even getting like $7,000 deals. And honestly, it's the exact same with LinkedIn. With LinkedIn, people are looking for creative strategists and copywriters. These are $2,000 and $3,000 positions. So in order to show you how to use LinkedIn in order to source applications, first I want to go through this. This is the 40CI chat. So this is the private one-to-one group that I run. And this is just one day. And I just tossed in 3 different applications right there. One is for copywriter and creative strategist. This next one is for contract social media copywriter. And then the final one is freelance social media strategist and freelance social media copywriter to work for a fun new beverage brand. Now, the point I'm trying to get across here is I find at least 1 to 3 posts on LinkedIn of people hiring copywriters, creative strategists, funnel builders, and I'm not even barely looking for them. I kind of just go through my feed, and all these sorts of hiring posts get served to me. So what I'm saying is this. The first day, honestly, all you really need to do is set up your Upwork profile, send out some proposals to people who are hiring, and go on LinkedIn and also look for people who are hiring. I've known so many people to where this is their very first, outreach strategy. And this is the first way that they get their initial clients. Now, in order to look for applications on Upwork or on LinkedIn, it's very simple. You literally just go to the search bar and you search hiring copywriter or looking for copywriter. Hiring creative strategist, looking for a creative strategist. Same with funnel builders, same with all the other services that you would want to offer. So to just give you an example, I went on LinkedIn, right? In 5 seconds, I searched up e-commerce agency because if I'm trying to be a creative strategist, I'm going to work with e-commerce agencies or e-commerce brands directly, but usually with agencies. So the first thing I come across is this guy, hiring creative strategist. Looking for a serious creative strategist to join our elite agency. We have a portfolio of multiple 8-figure supplement brands. We need someone who can identify winning ad concepts / frameworks and do all those things, right? Very simple. And what you get, so the pay is $5K to $10K base per month plus a percentage of what we bill the brands you work with. So this is literally a $10K per month deal right here, just starting at $10K per month. I will train you to become one of the best creative strategists in the world. An opportunity to make life-changing money and work with the top 1% of e-com brands. You get this deal, and not only are you going to be able to work with these guys and make a ton of money, but you're also going to learn so much. You're also going to have a skill that is going to be highly valuable going into the future. And again, you don't have to scroll very far to look for more people hiring copywriters, more people hiring direct response copywriters, and etc. Now, something that I want you guys to know is that applications themselves are just not enough. You want to, in the morning, maybe spend an hour, go through some applications or apply to some job boards that look like they have a really good opportunity for you. But that's not enough. You also have to do outreach. So when it comes to outreach, here's an example of how I might do it. I went on LinkedIn, searched up e-commerce agency, like I showed you guys before, and I came across this guy who is a founder of 7 Ecom and has 51 million in client revenue, AI plus marketing. If I go over to his website, I can see that he's worked with a ton of clients, right? So this is super important because if they haven't worked with a ton of clients before, then you probably don't want to outreach to them, because what that tells me is that they haven't actually had a lot of success in the past. So I know that this guy is probably making lots of money, and he probably needs people on his team in order to service a bunch of his clients. So that is what I am going to help him do. Now, I have this tool right here in my Google Chrome called Apollo.io, and this lets me access his email, which I'm able to do right there, and that is his work email. So instead of trying to message him on like LinkedIn or something, because everybody in the world is going to be like messaging this guy here and trying to pitch him in the DMs, I'm just going to actually send him an email straight to his email inbox. So now I want to go over a real quick outreach method that I might use for this guy. Now, you don't have to use this specific exact outreach message for everybody, but just note that I do have a 4-hour free course on getting clients, and I show you everything from all the messages inside of there as well. So here's just another example, because one of the people in the 4D bootcamp, right, just recently, Dongyu, he said that he landed a $2,000 per month plus a 10 to 20% commission for every client he comes in. So it can easily be a 4K per month deal. He wanted to thank me, and he used an outreach message that was very similar to the one that you're seeing right now. Essentially how it works is we start with a personalized photo. It's a personalized photo, and we send it over to the email instead of just sending them a pitch, because the problem with just a pitch is because it is just generic, it's boring, and in the days of AI, which we are in right now, they're just gonna assume that you're just some AI spam bot. So instead, you want to do as I have done here. So all I did was I looked through his profile, right? This isn't the same guy that I just showed you a second ago. This is a different guy, and this is what they look like, and this is him. So here's what I put inside of ChatGPT. I want you to create an idea for an email opener for a cold email that has me and this guy, Raymond, and our faces in a picture together. But I need ideas of what the photo should be, so please give me 5 ideas. Then it gave me some ideas, and it gave me an output. Now, as you can see, the output right here is me and him. And we're in Scalers Anonymous because one of the lines in his bio was that he's addicted to scaling. So as you can see, it's kind of a joke. And this is what the email reads like, and this is what it says. Hey Raymond, saw your scaling brands is addicting line and had to send this over, LMAO. I help brands and teams like yours turn content into predictable growth channel that compounds alongside paid traffic. I write email copy, creative strategy, and content that actually drives sales. Plus, my wife says I make a mean lasagna too, but that's besides the point. But I'd rather show you than tell you. So I recorded a quick 4-minute Loom of some of the things that we could get started with right away to bring you in some more leads to Right Hook. Right Hook is his brand. Can I send it over? So the reason as to why I am offering him a Loom video instead of a call is because the Loom is what gets you the Zoom. The Loom is what sets up the call. If you just are messaging people saying, hey, want to hop on a quick call? Pretty much nobody's going to say yes. They want to actually see how it would work. They want to see what your thoughts would be behind the process. But how do you actually create these Loom videos? Well, it's really quite simple. Let me take you through a very easy framework. First is the intro. It's 15 seconds. You introduce yourself. The second is social proof, if you have any. The third is an offer with a risk reversal. It's very simple. Here's what I'll do for your business. I'll get you XYZ result using whatever it is, creative strategy or content writing. And if it doesn't work, or for whatever reason you don't get an ROI, then we can walk away from each other, and we already know. Or let's start with a small project instead of a multi-$1,000 per month retainer, just so that we could see if it would even be worth it to work together. And that right there is not just social proof, but also the offer with the risk reversal, and then the process walkthrough. Here's exactly how it would work. I will come into your business. I will make you 30 pieces of high converting creative strategy for your clients, and this will help you get better results for them, and then also free up some of your time so that you can actually spend time and focus on getting more clients for your business so that you can actually scale. And then the final 15 seconds might be a CTA. If this sounds good to you, send me a message and we get on a quick call. Now, like I said as well, this actually works, and this is something that I used quite a bit. So over the last month or so, I've been doing this exact same method. I've been sending people DMs here on Instagram. So this up here, this purple one, is me offering the Loom video. This guy says, hey man, sure, what do you need from me? I sent him the Loom video, and then I follow up a couple times. He said, just watch the video. What does it cost and what's the commitment, right? This is gonna be the average answer that you get. So what's the cost? What's the price? And then here's another one. I said, hey, let me know if you want me to send you over a video on how I could scale your offer. He said, hey man, let's hear it. Yesterday, I sent it. Another guy said, I gave him an offer. He said, go for it. I sent another one, as promised. He said, thank you. Can you share more about the offer pricing and how the ROI guarantee works, please? All right. So this is just over the last few days / like month or so. And I've already gotten a ton of replies and people wanting to know more after they see the Loom video. Again, you are literally a month away from understanding how all this works and getting a client, because I'm clearly showing you multiple client opportunities just by DMing these people. Another message that I got, super solid, man. This is something I'm 1000% interested in and need. I'm currently trying to build the infrastructure, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. He gives me like his whole life story. He asked me how much it costs. I say 46K, give or take. He said 46K per month. I said, yeah, that's right. He asked me some more questions. And then he says, perfect, brother. Thank you. We'll reach out. So he said he needed about a month or so in order to get things in gear before he starts with me, but still 46K per month just closed from a Loom video, one that I just showed you. And as for the clients that have already closed with this exact method, here are some of the posts that they've already made and some of the things that I've already been able to do. So one of my clients said, April isn't even over yet. Last month we did 250K in cash, right? So these are real businesses that are making real money as well. And he also posted a screenshot of earning 20K, 21K in a single day, and his month to date is 215,000. And then over a couple of months, I got a $2,500 per month retainer just to write some YouTube scripts. That's it. $2,500 per month. And the YouTube scripts literally take me like a week to make. They literally don't take very much time because, again, I use Claude and I use AI and able to iron out all the scripts and come up with a lot of the ideas as well. It's not just me copy and pasting crap from AI or from ChatGPT, because I add a lot of my own human element into it. But you get the point. It does a lot of the heavy lifting for me. And again, I want to share that I'm not the only one doing this as well. For example, we have this guy who got 7.6K in a single month. It's made 44K so far. Someone else actually recently just said, I'm 17, and the other day I gave my mom $3,500 to pay off some debt. Someone else said, by the way, I closed a referral client, $2,600 for the rest of November and December to optimize his website and design and set up his social media. And that 10K per month is looking real juicy right now. Plus, I have a whole playlist of videos on this channel of people hitting and exceeding 10K per month with all of the things that I'm just showing you right here. So in short, you have the information now. What do you do with it? Well, remember, in the first days, you want to set up your offer and you want to start applying to job postings and job boards. This is the simplest, easiest way that you can get started. And don't ever think that you're not qualified enough in order to get these deals, because I'm telling you, there are guys who their very first client was a 3K per month client that they just found on LinkedIn or on Upwork for their exact offer. During the next couple of days, you want to build your prospecting list and also build your online business card. Again, these shouldn't take too long. I showed you how I was able to do this and prospect on LinkedIn. You can just search in keywords, and it's not just LinkedIn. You can go on YouTube and Instagram and do the exact same thing. And then honestly, it's just a process of rinsing and repeating. You find more people to outreach to, you send them emails, you send them messages, then you send them Loom videos, and then eventually you are going to get clients, especially if you're applying to places and using cold outreach as well. Now, if you want help implementing that entire system, there's two ways that you can work with me. You can work with me one-to-one through the 4D copy intensive. The link to that is down below as well. Or you can work with me in a group call setting, which is the 4D bootcamp. It's only $4 a day. That link is also down below. And if you're not ready to work with me directly and you still want to learn some more, then I have a whole entire channel of videos that are complete free value and free courses on here that you can watch and learn even more and actually start today. So stop consuming, start executing. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one.